Hi, I'm Teacher Donna. I'll give you some extra knowledge related to the topics. Crawling animals.
Teacher, tell me some examples of crawling animals.
Turtles, snakes and crocodiles are some of the crawling animals. A Little Turtle. The poem A Little Turtle tells about the movement of a little turtle and the house which it carries on its back. A Little Turtle. I'm a little turtle, I crawl so slow. I carry my house wherever I go. When I get tired, I put in my head, my legs and my tail, and I go to bed. New words. Carry. I always carry my bag to school. Crawl. Babies crawl on their knees. Tired. The boy is tired after the play. Turtle. A turtle has a shell.